Today, I'd like to introduce to you Chassis Abnormal Noise Detector. These are all the accessories. Here are the installation steps for it. Install the pin. Insert gripper. Install screws. Fix screws. Screw in the screw. Pull out the handle to fold it. Install the force arm. Assembly completed. There is a drilling design here. We can use a screwdriver. Perform reinforcement treatment. If our tires are very wide, we can adjust the gear. Each foot has a nail that can grip the tire well. Rotate the wheel to lock it. Shake up, down, left, and right to check for abnormal noise. This one belongs to the one-piece style. This model adopts a packaging design. Smaller packaging comparison. Support customization of different colors.